I'm gonna do a what I eat in the day video today. So for breakfast, I am having a flaxseed waffle with sugar-free syrup and a side of peanut butter. I can't wait to eat this, so good. For lunch, I am having a ton of veggies. I have some salami, toasted hemp seeds, banana peppers, bell pepper, carrots, and broccoli, and probably some other stuff in there. I usually put bacon and avocado in this, but I don't have any right now. And then I just washed some lettuce, and I'm gonna mix it all together and put some Caesar dressing on it. Here's the finished salad. I do like a lot of dressing, so I make sure to make that into my macros, but this is so good and very, very yummy. So in case you wanted to know what my blood sugar was after eating, this morning my fasting was 89, and after my waffles, 2 hours, I test every 2 hours after eating, it was 107, and I am 36 weeks pregnant, and so I will see what my blood sugar is after this gigantic salad I'm about to eat right here. Yum. So for dinner, I am making curry with cauliflower rice. So it's going to have bell peppers, cucumbers, not cucumbers, zucchini, some kale, and peas in it. And I'm going to use green curry sauce, or I might use red curry paste. I haven't decided if we want green or red. Here's my curry. It has cauliflower rice in it, and it's green curry with all the yummy veggies. Alright guys, it's kind of late, but I wanted to let you know that after my big salad, my blood glucose was 108, and after the curry, it was 98. So all of my numbers for gestational diabetes have been good, eating the keto diet. I also had 2 snacks that I didn't show. I had some pickles and some dark chocolate. So yeah. I hope you guys liked the video of what I ate in a day, being keto or keto, however you say that. And I'll try to make more of these videos because I know people are really curious about what you eat on the keto diet. Bye!